Hello and namaste friends, welcome to my channel Learn Nepalese Language. In this video you will learn about demonstrative pronouns in Nepalese language. Like in previous videos, I have written translated Nepalese word in Roman English so that you can easily pronounce them. Also I have written the same in Devanagari or Nepali script for advanced Nepalese learners. Let us start. First of all, we all know that demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point something specific, right? Okay. This or it means yo in Nepalese language. Yo, Y-O-U. Likewise, these means e in Nepalese language. Y-I-E. That or it means tyo, T-Y-O, tyo. Those, T, T-I-T. Let us repeat again. This or it, yo. These, e. That or it, tyo. Those, ti. Now let us learn more through examples. This is my umbrella. यो मेरो छाता हो. यो मेरो छाता हो. That is my umbrella. त्यो मेरो छाता हो. त्यो मेरो छाता हो. These are my umbrellas. यी मेरा छाताहरू हुन्. यी मेरा छाताहरू हुन्. Those are my umbrellas. ती मेरा छाताहरू हुन्. ती मेरा छाताहरू हुन्. This is the end for our today's lesson. Keep learning. Thank you and धन्यवाद.